The book now and pay later on Expedia. Start by going to Expedia.com and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. The website features a language changer, lists of properties, support, trips, and your account name, all located at the top of the screen. In the middle of the screen, you'll find a search function where you can look for various travel options. For book now and pay later, the process is straightforward. Once you've chosen your package, look for the monthly payment option and click on it. When searching for a hotel or other travel arrangements, click on the search function or select a specific option, such as a design hotel. Then, click on Continue to be redirected to a secure sign-in page. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you do, simply sign in to complete the reservation. This allows you to split the cost of your trip into several payments, rather than paying the full amount upfront. By following these steps, you can take advantage of Expedia's Book Now and Pay Later feature, making it easier to plan and pay for your travels.